Are you tired of showing others when you are online on TikTok? In this video, you'll learn how to easily turn off the active status on TikTok and enjoy more privacy while using the app. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to disable the active status quickly and effortlessly so that nobody can track it. When you're online, to get started, open up the TikTok app and then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen, and then tap on Settings and Privacy. Once you are on this page, tap on Privacy, and then toggle this off activity status. When this is turned on, you and the followers you follow back will see each other's activity status, so go ahead and turn that off. And now no one will know when you are active on TikTok. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.